it's the perfect way to start your weekend with great foods. And I am doing today a sandwich that I do every year for Christmas. It's called my best of Christmas sandwich, where I take homemade bread, no other bread, homemade bread, full stop. And I take turkey, ham, chow chow, some mayo, some mustard if you have, and put it all together. And I just enjoy that sandwich before the holidays are over. So I'm going to make that sandwich for you this morning. Courtesy the folks at Great Foods, because this Great Foods picnic bone ham is one of the sandwiches that I have, one of the hams that I've grown to love, and I've been baking a lot of them over the holidays. So first I'm going to start. I'm going to make a sandwich that I think is going to be what I'm calling that triple decker type sandwich, big sandwich. I'm starting with some mayonnaise, and I really just want to spread a bit of mayonnaise to the base of the sandwich. So mayonnaise is that lovely nice glue that brings everything together. A little more mayonnaise. Just for good measure, I have some lettuce. Gotta get some greens in. And then I can do some turkey. So you normally would have, coming towards the end of the holidays, you would normally have, as I said, the end of the turkey, the end of the ham. This is a good way to make sure you don't just waste ends of turkey and ends of ham. I then gonna go with some slices of ham on top of that turkey. That's right, double meat. I have some cheese. I love ham and cheese, so it's kind of my combination that I go to. There you go. And to that there now, it depends on how much you like chow chow. So I like medium chow chow. I don't like a lot of it, but I want to also taste it. So if you like a lot of chow chow, go liberal on your spread, but I really just want a thin layer of chow chow on this end here. And I cover. A nice little press. And guess what? Sandwich isn't over. I am going again. Layer of mayonnaise. This is a sandwich I have once for the year. Once for the year. So I indulge. Mayonnaise. And I have a little lettuce again. And I build a layer again. Turkey, got a nice some thick layers of turkey here. Then my ham. You gotta get the vegetables in, so I'm just topping with some tomatoes. And another slice with a little chow chow. As I said, just a nice thin layer of chow chow. So one of the things that I said, everybody's on Christmas morning, you have that little special thing. My mother-in-law makes the best homemade bread ever. She makes the best homemade bread. I don't know what I would do without her homemade bread. My wife is aware. Guys, should I try to cut the sandwich? So if you see, should I try to cut the sandwich? Let's go brave. The other question is, should I try to bite the sandwich? but take a look at it. This is the best of Christmas here. Ham, turkey, cheese, chow chow, and the like. Have yourselves a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful holiday, guys. This is how you start and end your holidays. thanks to Great Foods. I want to thank the folks at Great Foods for making it possible. So much to come on the show, but I gotta get a bite of this before the show gets started. Come on back, please.